Hi again, Year 5. So today's afternoon lessons, I'm just going to give you a really quick instruction video because it's all quite self-explanatory. The first thing I would like you to do is a history session all about the Egyptian gods. I know how much you've been enjoying this Egyptian topic. We're nearly at the end, but don't worry, we still have a few little bits that we need to do. What I want you to do today is I want you to research as much as you can about the ancient Egyptian gods. There are lots of websites out there. Just make sure if you're using Google or Bing or whatever your search engine is, please make sure you write the phrase facts for kids or facts for children after. And that's just so that it makes it a little bit easier to understand for you guys, because sometimes the adult websites come up and the language might be a little bit tricky. So some of the websites I recommend, obviously good old BBC Schools, the Bite Size, there's a little video, there's some facts, there's a little game you can play, I'm pretty sure. And then on National Geographic Kids, there's lots of nice pictures and facts there as well. And I'm also going to give you a let me show you, here we are. It's like a little handout of gods and goddesses with a little bit of information and some pictures on to help as well if you want to use that. And your task for today is to create a fact file on one of the gods, two of the gods, three of the gods, as many as you want. You choose your level, you choose your challenge. Here's an example of what I've done. So this one's all about Osiris. He was the god of the underworld and the afterlife, and flooding the Nile as well, which I found quite interesting. He has a pharaoh's beard and his legs are wrapped in mummy bandages, so I gave a little description of his appearance. Now obviously I am not the best at drawing, so I just copied this off the internet, but you can draw. You don't have to do it in a Word document or like I did, you can draw it on a piece of paper. So that's your task for history. In regards to spelling, this is your first week that you've had to learn spellings in year 5. I would like you to learn the spellings. I've given you a document. There are common words that we should be able to spell all the time correctly in year 5. So just a few words that we kind of get mixed up, like people, because, through, don't with the apostrophe. So just have a little practice. Our first ever spelling test will be next week on Thursday the 19th of November. Obviously just try your best. I really don't mind what your score is, as long as you've tried your best and you've actually tried to learn them. So there we have it. So your afternoon lessons for Thursday. Speak to you tomorrow.